Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this practice, we'll explore the art of mindful compromise in the midst of conflict. Though we often feel the need to hold our opinions firmly during disagreements, learning to find middle ground can be a saving grace in our relationships. Begin by finding a comfortable position. As you sit, allow your back to straighten gently. Let go of any unnecessary gripping, remaining alert without tension. Soften your shoulders. Relax your arms. Let your hands rest on your knees or in your lap. And if you haven't yet, slowly close your eyes. Now, turn to your breaths. As you inhale deeply, give yourself permission to fully arrive to your practice. As you exhale slowly, let go of judgments and expectations. Again, breathe in, inviting yourself to be truly present. Breathe out, letting go of your commitments for the rest of the day. Now, soften your breath. Let it return to a natural, comfortable rhythm. And as you let the breath flow as effortlessly as possible, begin to notice the sounds around you. Note the faraway sounds beyond the space you are in. Perhaps you hear people in conversation in the distance, or the hum of traffic. And rather than searching for any sound, let them come to you. Allow sounds to come and go naturally. Now, direct your attention a little closer by. Notice the sounds that are nearby, the sounds in the space around you. You might notice the drone of an appliance, or if you're outside, the birds chirping in a tree beside you. It can even be as simple as observing the sound of my voice. And again, let this be as effortless as possible. You're just observing sounds as they arise and disappear. And now, draw in even closer. Notice the sounds your body is making. You might become aware of the hush your breath makes as it enters and exits. Perhaps you notice the gurgle when you swallow, or the subtle sounds of your digestion. And rather than getting caught up in what's happening or trying to analyze it, allow internal sounds to simply come and go on their own. Now, let your attention soften. Make room for all the sounds to appear and disappear. Stay open to whatever arises, whether they are farther away or very close by. Notice the sounds themselves and the silence between them. Stay present with the experience of listening without judgments or labels. And whenever you get distracted or your mind wanders, lovingly bring your attention back, allowing sounds to appear and disappear, enjoying the simple pleasures of listening and hearing. Now, relax your attention. Whether it's at work, at home, or with friends, conflict can wreak havoc on our relationships, especially when we dig our heels in and defend our opinions at all costs. Though some battles are worth fighting for, and it's essential to know when to stand our ground, most disagreements can be resolved amicably when we bring mindfulness and compromise to the table. In fact, a recent study by the University of Minnesota showed that approaching conflict resolution with mindfulness resulted in happier and healthier relationships. Compromise doesn't mean that we have to give up everything we want. Instead, it's an invitation for each person involved to hear each other out so that everyone's needs are met. The tools we gain through our meditation practice come in handy. Rather than going into criticism or judgments, remain calm and focused. Identify what the most critical points are for you, and take some time to listen to others with an open mind. From this perspective, it is much more feasible to find a solution that satisfies everyone's must-haves. Say your housemate likes to play the electric guitar in the evenings while you enjoy some quiet time to read. Instead of arguing, why not have a calm conversation and collectively decide on designated nights or hours reserved for each activity? Remember, listening mindfully and being willing to find a middle ground allows you to find better solutions. It also helps you build stronger bonds and deeper relationships. Now, slowly return to your breath. Feel your body in space. Become aware of the room around you. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. I hope this practice has served you well. We'll see you back here tomorrow.